Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today's the day 26th of my series of daily coding vlogs. So today will be the new journey of web development. Now you might be thinking, okay, why suddenly web development? Because I want to make a little website which can serve a purpose that I want. Okay, so now most of you are thinking that why can't we just say ask AI models like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Canva, which is new released to make models, to make a website. The reason is, see, these all models are great. They code great in HTML and CSS, no doubt. But web development is more than HTML and CSS. But of course, you have to start with HTML and CSS only. So in future, I will learn JavaScript and jQuery. Now most of us think like jQuery is dead, but it's so easy. It's used everywhere. You see, it's the top language, but still no one talks about it, which makes me sad. For reference, I will be reading this book called as Mastering HTML, CSS, and JavaScript Web Publishing. Yep, our long name, and it's a big book. You can say it's an academic book. It has almost 700 pages of knowledge, which this book contains HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, but it also contains jQuery and PHP. jQuery, PHP both are, people assume that they are dead, but they are pretty useful actually. So today I will be talking about one of the things, that how will I make the website. First of all, cross platform so that it can run on mobile and as well as on laptop pretty easily, means a responsive web design. And the website should not look too old or too fancy. A simple website which will do most of the work. And of course, before starting anything, you should pick a good text editor. People most of the time take Sublime Text, but I'm going with VS Code because why not? It's pretty useful. The main thing I am using VS Code is the live server extension, which is pretty useful actually. And when I mean pretty, I mean a lot more. Then of course you should know the fundamentals like the heading tag, the paragraph, line break, horizontal line break, buttons, all those things. And yep, that's what I did today, revise all of this, because this is not my first time learning HTML and CSS. I know them pretty good, but I also need a revision because it's not like that I have all things on my hand. And also, when I first used to make websites, I had a resource material, you can say, the material or notes, but I have lost it in time, and it was a physical book actually. Now I can find it. It has all the solution solution of my problems, and you can say it was a guide of common mistakes that I made. So yep, today was I did was a little revision of HTML and CSS. Not much advanced actually, okay? I can run. And that's it for today, and see you tomorrow in the day 27th. Goodbye.